Okay, so hi guys. So today I have slime. I have this pink slime. I've mentioned videos before by Planet Puffy slime. Then I have a blue and green, red. I don't know if you can see the red very well. It's actually really light. It's not dark. You might be able to see. You'll see when I get it out. But I had a yellow one of these, but I don't know where it went. And then I have this, it's still like Tupperware, but like green slime. Green jiggly wiggly slime. And I think that's all slime I actually have. So I'm going to start with this pink slime. So I made this slime, the borax solution. It's really good. I can do the finger thing, like it actually works. It breaks after a while if you do it. But it's like really good. It makes farting sounds. I have my little glass here. This is actually, I'm just going to take a little bit. It's actually a shot glass from, you can get these at the Dollar Tree or Dollar Store, or I don't care what one. Like, if I push it in, it actually makes farting sounds. So, it's really good. But I made this on New Year's, so at like 10 o'clock at night. But as you can see, I made a lot. And then so I'm just gonna pull this out, and so that's the pink slime. So now I think I'm gonna do my Planet Puffy slime. So it is blue, and it's squishy like that. Feels about the same. Like this one is more like. This is more like solitary, I guess. This is like really squishy. This is like more hard, and this is squishy. And I've been playing with this one a long time, but this one I haven't really played with very much this week. And I love slime. Like slime is my favorite thing. So let's see if it works. Get back in there. Okay, that was a major fart. It farts. Okay, so that's a good slime. And yes, so this is really good. I got this at Target. It's $3. If you watched my other video, you would know. Now it's time for the other homemade slime. Okay, so this I made a lot. Like, I didn't even mean to make that much. Like, this is not really mixed in very well either. Like, I just started playing with that yesterday for like 15 minutes. So, it's kind of like the other. Except the other is more better, I guess I should say. I'm just going to like hold this one for that. So, this is like really nice slime. I made this about a week ago, probably. Probably last Saturday. I don't remember. I know it was this month, but like I know it wasn't 3 weeks ago. But it's like really nice slime. I think I made this on Tuesday actually. I remember. So it's like really nice slime. I think I can compact it. It's like really nice, and like it drags down in like the others, which is like nice. Like this slime I've been needing. I needed that for 2 hours. So I need this for like 15 minutes. So now I'm just going to take a, like, and this is like smooths out really easy. Like, this is really good slime. It's a borax solution. I let it sit, and then I'm like, oh, I'm going to have to knead it like I did it with this, and take and drain the water. But actually, if you let it sit overnight in that, it'll actually make a big one. And if you want to know how to make this, all I did is I Googled how to make slime with borax. Not like with, but like one time with, but like not without, with borax. So, and then the recipe should pop up. And yeah, so now it's time for the little slime. And all these are the same. So I'm only going to do one. This is the blue. And like, I got this at Target. I got 4 for $1, so. Oh no, I'm getting out the green slime everywhere in it. Okay, so this is like really good. Compared to this is like really, this is actually like the slime. It's the same as all the others. But I'm going to take a little bit of this slime. Oof. essentially feels like the same. So, store-bought is harder. If you make it, it's softer. So, leave a description box down below. You know where it is, down below. If you like hard slime, store-bought slime, or homemade slime. I want to know, what should I buy or make? So, yeah. And just saying, if you guys buy a box of borax, buy the smallest box you can find. It'll, like, last you forever and ever. Like, you only use, like, a teaspoon each time you make slime. Unless you're doing, like, a giant batch. And a giant batch is a teaspoon. And so, I recommend not buying a ton of borax. So, yeah. So, I was shopping today. And with my neighbor. And this will be in my next video. I got Bean Boozle. 4th edition, just to let you know. And I don't have it right next to me right this second, but I got Warheads. But I'm not going to do it in that video because I just don't want to. Maybe, yeah. But, I'll do right now. I'll do a Bean Boozle. Okay, so I will do a Warhead, lime, or lawn clipping. Okay, I don't know which one to grab. Here it is. I'm going to take a little bite. It smells weird. I think it's lawn clippings. Yeah, lawn clippings. Alright, well, bye.